In the world of project management, data is king. From tracking tasks and resources to monitoring budgets and deadlines, effective data management is crucial for success. Tools like Smartsheet have revolutionized how teams collaborate on projects, offering a dynamic, cloud-based platform that blends the familiarity of a spreadsheet with robust project management capabilities. However, despite the power of cloud-based solutions, the need to work with data offline, share it with non-Smartsheet users, or perform complex analyses often brings us back to a familiar format: Excel. This naturally leads to a frequently asked question: can you export Smartsheet to Excel? As a project management expert, I can confidently state, yes, you absolutely can export your Smartsheet data to Excel. This functionality is not just a nice-to-have. It's a critical bridge between Smartsheet's collaborative power and Excel's analytical versatility. Understanding how to perform this export and why you might need to is an essential skill for any project manager leveraging Smartsheet. Why export Smartsheet to Excel? While Smartsheet offers powerful features like real-time collaboration, automated workflows, and dynamic reporting, there are several compelling reasons why you might need to pull your data into an Excel spreadsheet. Offline access. Sometimes you might need to review project data in an environment without internet access, like during a site visit or on a flight. An Excel export provides a portable, offline copy. Sharing with non-Smartsheet users. Not everyone in your organization or among your stakeholders may have access to Smartsheet, or they might simply prefer to work with data in Excel. Exporting allows for easy sharing and accessibility for a broader audience. Advanced data analysis and modeling. While Smartsheet offers excellent reporting, Excel's strength lies in its deep analytical capabilities. For complex financial modeling, advanced pivot table analysis, custom charting, or running specific macros, Excel often provides more flexibility. Data archiving. For long-term record-keeping or compliance, exporting data to a widely accessible format like Excel can be a simple way to archive project information. Data migration. If you're moving data to another system that requires a specific Excel or CSV format, exporting from Smartsheet is often the first step. Presentation and reporting. While Smartsheet dashboards are powerful, sometimes a polished, customized report for a specific presentation is best created in Excel, especially when combining data from multiple sources. How to export Smartsheet to Excel. A step-by-step guide. Smartsheet makes the export process straightforward, ensuring you can quickly get your data into the desired format. Here's how it generally works. Open your Smartsheet. Navigate to the specific Smartsheet, project, sheet, or report that contains the data you wish to export. Access the File menu. In the top left corner of your Smartsheet interface, you'll see File. Click on it. Select Export. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export. Choose Export to Microsoft Excel.xlsx. This is the most common and recommended option for a direct transfer to Excel. Smartsheet also offers other export options like PDF, Google Sheets, CSV, and Microsoft Project. But for Excel, select the .xlsx option. Select Export Options. If applicable, depending on the type of sheet or report, you might be given options, such as whether to include attachments, comments, or just the grid data. Choose the options that best suit your needs. For reports, you might be able to select specific columns to export. Initiate export. Click the Export or OK button. Smartsheet will then process the request. For smaller sheets, the file will download almost immediately. For larger sheets, it might take a moment, and you'll typically see a notification when it's ready. Download the file. The Excel file, .xlsx, will download directly to your computer's default downloads folder, just like any other file downloaded from the internet. What gets exported? When you export a Smartsheet to Excel, the resulting .xlsx file will typically contain grid data. All the rows and columns visible in your Smartsheet grid view will be exported, including text, numbers, dates, drop-down selections, checkboxes, and formulas. Column headers. Your Smartsheet column names will become the header row in Excel. Formatting. Basic cell formatting like text wrapping, bolding, and cell shading often transfers, though complex Smartsheet-specific formatting, e.g., Conditional formatting rules tied to Smartsheet's logic might not. Formulas. Smartsheet cell formulas will generally be exported as their calculated values in Excel, not the formulas themselves. This means if you change data in the Excel file, the formula cells won't automatically update like they would in Smartsheet or if you had the original Excel formula. Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks within cells will typically transfer. Important considerations and limitations. While powerful, it's essential to be aware of a few nuances. Attachments and conversations. The standard Excel export usually does not include attachments or cell conversations/comments. If you need these, you'll often have to download them separately or use other export options, like a Smartsheet backup, or integrate with cloud storage services. Sheet summary. The sheet summary panel in Smartsheet is not part of the grid data and typically won't be included in a standard Excel export. Reports versus sheets. When exporting a Smartsheet report, the Excel file will only contain the data and columns visible in that specific report, filtered and sorted as defined in the report. When exporting a full sheet, all columns and rows from the sheet will be exported. Linked cells and formulas. As mentioned, formulas are exported as values. If your Smartsheet is linked to other sheets, cell linking, or external data, those live links will not be maintained in the static Excel export. The exported data is a snapshot. Automation and reminders. None of Smartsheet's automation rules, reminders, or notifications will transfer to the Excel file, as these are inherent to Smartsheet's dynamic environment. Leveraging the export for project success. The ability to export Smartsheet data to Excel provides project managers with essential flexibility. It means you're not locked into a single platform for all your data needs. You can leverage Smartsheet for real-time collaboration and project execution, then easily pull the data into Excel for ad hoc analysis, custom reporting, or sharing with stakeholders who might not be Smartsheet users. This integration of capabilities empowers project managers to choose the right tool for the right task, ultimately leading to more informed decisions and better project outcomes.